Hello, my friends. Welcome to Music Today. You know, I was thinking about what if we were singing about some numbers? You know, there's numbers in our world wherever we look. You might not think about it, but there's lots of numbers. Let me give you an example. If I need to measure something, I might use a tool. This is a tool I might use, a ruler. And look at all the numbers on that ruler. That helps for me to measure things in inches if I want to figure out how long something is. Or say if I needed to look at the clock and know what time it is. Did you know that our clock, that also has numbers? Look at all the numbers on our clock. That's a lot of numbers, isn't it? And then I have a padlock. A padlock has numbers, and I can use the combination of different numbers, and I can lock something up so that it stays safe. Well, if I'm driving in my car, I might see a license plate in front of me, and that also has numbers on it. And you know, you have an age. How old are you? That's a number too, isn't it? Well, I'm going to teach you a song about numbers today. And we're going to learn this song, and I need your hands, so you got to get your hands out and get your lap. And it goes like this. It goes, acca-bacca soda cracker, acca-bacca bee, acca-bacca soda cracker, what number do you see? Let's look at the number. Ooh, it's a big one. What number do you see? Looks like I have some spades here. Will you help me count those spades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, 7. I have a surprise for you because I have something today. 7 of them. Would you like to see? You got to help me count though. Will you do that with me? All right, let me get it. I'm going to lift them up and put them so that you can see them. Wow, check out these 7 friends, will you? We better count how many Humpty Dumptys that we have here today. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 Humpty Dumptys. You know, that makes me think of a song. Does it make you think of a song too? About Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall? Let's do that, well, shall we? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Whoa! All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. You know, we had 7 Humpty Dumptys, but I noticed a lot of them fell off or they fell apart. There's only a couple that are still standing. Shall we count how many are still standing? Let's do that. 1, 2. Only 2 left. But you know, I have more to share with you today. Would you like to see what else I brought? Let's do it. Get your hands out. Here we go. Acca-bacca soda cracker, acca-bacca bee. Acca-bacca soda cracker, what number do you see? Let's see. I have a number. What number do I have? Do I have the number 3? Let's count those clubs, shall we? 1, 2, 3. Well, I have something. I'll give you a hint. Something that monkeys like to eat. They're yellow and you peel them. What could that be? That I have 3 of those. Did you say bananas? Did you? I do. I have 1. I have 2. And I have 3. Hello? Is anybody home? Are you out there? You better answer me on your phone. Get your hand phone out. How is everybody today? Are you doing well? I'm calling you on my banana phone. Isn't that silly? I know. I had the number 3 today. But I'm not going to stop there because I have more. Let's see what other numbers we're going to sing about. Are you ready? Get your hands out. Acca-bacca soda cracker, acca-bacca bee. Acca-bacca soda cracker, what number do you see? Ooh, are you ready for this going to show you. It's this number. What number is that? Do you know? Look at it. Can you count the diamonds? I see some diamonds. Let's count them together, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Would you like to see what I have 4 of? I'll give you a hint. This is something that you like to snuggle with at night. It's very cuddly. And also, it's something that's very fuzzy. Very fuzzy. I actually have 4 of these. Let me get them out so that you can see them. I'm going to get out first my rocking chair that rocks, and then I'm going to get out, help me count, 1. What is it? What was I thinking? Was I thinking about a teddy bear? I do. Is that something that you can snuggle with at night? It is. Is it fuzzy? It is. 2. There's 2 teddy bears. Here's 3. There's 3 teddy bears. And now we need 1 more teddy bear. And here is 4. Here's 4 teddies. Oh, look at those little bears. They're so cute. They are so fun. We have 4 teddy bears. But I gotta tell you, I brought more numbers with me today. Would you like to see some more numbers? Well, I've got some. Let's do it again. Are you ready? Here we go. Acca-bacca soda cracker, acca-bacca bee. Acca-bacca soda cracker, what number do you see? Let's see. I see the number. What number's that? Did you say 5? Number 5. Look at, we've got some hearts here today. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bet you were thinking, what does Mrs. Wooden have 5 of? Would you like to see? Let me show you. I had some children that were so sweet, and they did something really, really kind. They brought me some of these. Look, what do I have? Do I have some beautiful flowers? Well, first I only have 1. Let's get another one. Now how many do I have? 2. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. There's lots of flowers, so we have to count. 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's 5 flowers right there. There were 3 pink flowers that were all together. Then we had a yellow and a white flower. Now I have a bouquet. I have a bouquet of flowers. And I know that I'll put them in my vase so that they can get water. Oh, I love my flowers. They're so pretty, aren't they? Let's see what's next, shall we? Here we go. Acca-bacca soda cracker, acca-bacca bee. Acca-bacca soda cracker, what number do you see? Ooh, it's a very big number. It's this many. How many is that? Did you say 10? Did you say the number 10? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I want to see 10 fingers. 10, 10, 10. Ooh, there's 10. Now, are you wondering what I have 10 of? Let me tell you about the 10 that I have. Some of these live in a zoo, or some of these things live on a farm, or they may live in a house, or they may live at the bottom of the ocean. But these 10 things are all living things. What do you think that could be? Think about that. Did you say animals? Yes, I have some animals, and I'm going to share them with you. So, help me count, if you will, please. All right, let's get our first animal. Look at this. We have one, a cat. We have another animal. Look at this one. Oh, I wonder about that animal. Elephant. We have this. Well, What do you think? Zebra, 3, and 4, and 5. Look at this. And 6. Look at the tail. Oh. And 7. Ooh, look at number 7. I wonder what that is. And 8. Look. And 9. Oh, who's that? And 10. Let's get our last one. Look at this, number 10. Now let's talk about these animals a little bit, shall we? Some of these we said live in a zoo. Let's figure out which animals live in the zoo and let's group them together. Do you think a panda bear would live in a zoo? Look at him. He's got black and white. He's a panda, all right. And yes, he does live in a zoo. And he might live with, let's see. You might find an elephant at the zoo. Look at those tusks. Very big, long tusks right here. And you might find something else at the zoo. Do you think you would find a cat at the zoo? I'm not thinking so. I'm thinking a cat might live in a house. How about you? I think so. So let's put the cat. Hey, how about we put the cat next to the dog? Dogs also live in a house. Let's do that. What about the flamingo? Where is the flamingo? Where can we find the flamingo? Could we find him at the zoo as well? I think so. And what makes the color of his feathers so pink is from his diet and what he eats. He eats shrimp, and shrimp help make those beautiful feathers to be this beautiful pink. So let's see, he's also a zoo animal. So we'll put him in the zoo. And then we have an animal, or crustacean, that lives at the bottom of the ocean. And you know what? He is a scavenger. He'll eat just about anything. A lobster. Yes, a lobster. And people like to catch these lobsters, and they enjoy them very much. They're very delicious. Oh, and what about this? A bird. Well, you know, some birds are house birds. This one right here, this one is a cardinal. So that's a wild bird that flies out in by the woods. You might find him out there. And you might also find my friend the raccoon. He would also be someplace that you might find out in the woods. Look at his tail. He has rings on his tail, doesn't he? He does. And then we have one more that we need to place. How about this koala bear? What do you think? Where do you think he belongs? I don't think he belongs in our house. No. You don't belong in the ocean. How about the zoo? We could put him in the zoo. Yeah, let's do that. Let's scoot these guys over. Look at this. We have our zoo animals. We have the animals that live in the woods. We also have animals that live in the water and animals that live in a house. You know, today we did lots of numbers. I didn't do all of the numbers, but I did a lot of numbers. Well, I hope you had some fun with my numbers today. Have a great day. Bye.